Hello, my name is Maria Camila Bedoya and today I will tell about my dream trip. I would love to travel to Greece because it's the trip of my dreams. Greece is a country located in Southeast Europe and is considered the cradle of Western civilization, being the birthplace of democracy, Western philosophy, historiography, literature, political science, and the Olympic Games. This is your flag. The places that I would like to know are 1. Athens, 2. Santorini, 3. Mykonos, and 4. Olympia. Athens it is the capital and largest city of Greece. Santorini it is one of the most famous islands in Greece, and it seemed to me that it's a beautiful place. Mykonos, next to Santorini, it is one of the most famous island. This small island is famous for its parties and its lively nightlife. And Olympia is a science sanctuary home of the ancient Olympic Games. The reasons why I want to go there are I would like to know more about your culture. Two, I find it one of the most fantastic and interesting places because it is a very historical places. And three, I would love to eat a typical food. Eh, that's all and thank you. Goodbye.